Hello and welcome. We're gonna solve this today. This is from BYUCTF. It's a CTF I found, so I decided to join. I'm pretty late to it, but I solved this challenge. I will show you how right now. A friend told me that SQL is broken and I should use NoSQL databases. Haha, NoSQL injection right here. Okay, let's take a look at the source code. We can see here this is the source code. Okay, we have the docker file, the server main.py, blah 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 blah. This isn't important. Okay, here the functionality of the website is that we choose a famous person and it will show us a quote, but my internet is dying or the server is dying. I don't know. Let's wait for it. I think the server might have died. Okay, until it loads, we're gonna go here. We have these files. This is very important. We have set key value, set fdr. This is a string. Set Shakespeare, set Mandela, set Theodore, set Disney, and we chose Shakespeare. Okay. Okay, so let's try to submit for William Shakespeare. To be or not to be, that is the question. Is it here? Yes, it is here. Okay, this means that we can get the admin or get the admin password or the flag, okay? But there's a problem when you read the source code right here. If you try to get the flag, if flag in person and username not equals admin, it will return nope. We can't get the flag until we are admin, but how can we do this? We have quite a few endpoints. We have slash get quote and register and login. Okay, I tried to register, but nothing was there, and then it hit me. I can search for okay, Nelson Mandela. Okay, let's search. We get this quote, right? What if I search for admin or admin password? I couldn't right here, so I fired up Burp Suite. Let's submit this, and let's go to the HTTP history. Let's go here, and let's maybe type admin and send it, but the server is still dying, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's render it. Admin user. Okay, is that the string from here? It is. Okay, Broad has a different password. Okay, let's try to get the admin underscore password. Okay, we have the admin password right here. Now we can copy it. Let's do this, and let's go to the login endpoint. Username is admin and password is this password. Hello admin, welcome to my website. Click on a name to see if famous people. Oh, the flag shows right here. We have fake flag. I told you. Have this flag, which is the correct flag. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video.